I want to share with you one way Jamaicans deal with death that is a part of the culture. Attending or being a part of something like this will stay in your memory forever. Part of Jamaican culture or customs, when someone dies, one of the things you do is dig the grave. Members in the community that know the person and family members that love them all come together as respect to dig the grave 6 feet and cast the concrete. Now, this morning event includes music, food, rum, any type of alcohol, having fun, and storytelling to mourn the person. Now, we're in rural Jamaica, and burying someone is usually done in the family's yard or family's lawn. While sometimes you can see people do it in the cemetery, before digging, they will use rum to wash the area where they're going to dig. You see people painting. And as a custom, when you're burying someone, you have to paint all graves around as well as respect. So everyone's grave is getting fixed up. And listen, they are digging this with shovel, with fork, with hoe by hand. Now, grave styling is a whole different topic that's impressive in Jamaica, and it's one of a kind. So I can do that video if you guys also want.